Hi everyone, I am Ankita and welcome back to my channel. So if you're someone new here, then I want to tell you that I make fitness and lifestyle related videos. So you can subscribe my channel and also follow me on Instagram for some amazing and informative content. So first of all, I hope that you all are staying great and doing well. So today's topic is very important, especially if you're someone who is trying to lose weight or starting their weight loss journey or fitness journey. So today's topic is cravings. So I will talk about what is craving, मतलब craving होती क्या है. We'll just discuss about it very quickly and then we'll talk about why does craving happens, मतलब उसके पीछे reason क्या है, and that too we'll discuss very quickly. And the third point, very important, how to get rid of cravings. Yes, I will give you some amazing solutions to get rid of cravings completely. So without any delay, let's get into the video. So the first thing I want to discuss with you all is what is cravings. Cravings होती क्या है? So let me tell you that होता क्या है ना कि लोगों ने आजकल इतना normalize कर दिया है craving को कि मतलब बहुत cute लगता है लोगों को whenever someone says यार I'm craving a cake or I'm craving a pizza, I'm craving a pastry, something like that. Trust me, we have to stop normalizing this because it's not normal if it's common. Trust me, craving is very much similar to addiction. If you're someone who is always saying ki I'm craving that or this, trust me, you're not more different than a person who is addicted to smoking or alcohol, because like we can just see craving hota kya hai. Sometimes we are just thinking about a cake or a pizza or something you just love eating, or you just see something you actually want to eat it like anything, like crazy. You will just order it online at 2 a.m. in the night. So that is what craving is, and it's actually not normal, and it is more psychological because craving is something what your body doesn't want but your mind does. So it's all about mind and less about your body. And ultimately, if you're satisfying your cravings by having your comfort food, then trust me, you're not feeding your body but you're just feeding your emotions and your mind. That's it. Now why does craving happens, मतलब ऐसा होता क्यों है? Why do we actually crave some certain kind of food? So we are not going into deep science, but still I would like to give you an idea or an overview so that you can just understand it and know what it is and why it is. सो होता क्या है कि जब हम बहुत ज़्यादा शुगरी और प्रोसेस्ड फूड खा रहे होते हैं उस टाइम पे हमारा ब्लड शुगर लेवल बहुत जल्दी राइज होता है, एंड इन रिस्पॉन्स टू दैट योर इंसुलिन लेवल ऑल्सो राइजेस अप, एंड दैट्स द पॉइंट वेयर वी स्टार्ट थिंकिंग दैट दिस इज द फूड वी एक्चुअली लव and we actually want to have more of it. And that's how you fall in that vicious cycle again and again. To feel better, to feel good, you're craving for that food and you're having it. And that's why जितना हम ये sugary और fried food खाते हैं उतना ही better we think it tastes, and that's why we want more of it the next time. And also I actually mentioned that it is more psychological because sugar is something which actually triggers the same part of your mind known as reward center, which is also triggered by the things like smoking, cocaine, alcohol and other addictive stuff. And now we are going to discuss the most important part, that is how to cure cravings, how to just get rid of it completely. And trust me, the solutions I'm going to give you, if you give them a try, seriously, you can get rid of it because I personally did. So basically, I will give you two different solutions. So first one is the instant solution which you can just start doing right away, which can actually show you some short-term results, and after that we'll talk about the real and the long-term solution. So for the first solution, what I have done is I have divided it in 6 D's. Yes, so we'll discuss all the 6 D's very quickly. So the first D among all the 6 D's is delay. So what you have to do is whenever you find something craving or you're having something, someone is offering you something, don't say no straight to your mind because that's how your mind actually craves it even more. कई बार होता है ना कि हम लोग जैसे पार्टी में गए, हमने कुछ देख लिया, केक वगैरह खाने का मन हो रहा है एकदम से, then please stop for a while and tell yourself that okay, I'll have it after an hour or I will have it half an hour later. So that's how you give yourself some time to think and relax, and maybe possible that after half an hour later you won't even crave it and you won't even end up eating that crappy food. Trust me, it actually works. Just next time whenever someone is offering you something, just tell them don't mind but I'll have it later. Now the second point is distraction. कई बार ये होता है कि हमको क्रेविंग होती है इसलिए बिकॉज इधर वी आर फीलिंग बोर्डम और वी आर फीलिंग वी आर नॉट फीलिंग गुड, वी आर a bit upset or sad about something. कई बार ये होता है कि we just need our comfort food to feel comfortable and good. ठीक है, so what you can do is just distract yourself by doing something else what you love. Just distract yourself for a while because craving होती कैसी है ना, एक वेव की तरह होती है, एकदम से आएगी फिर थोड़ा टाइम बाद it will definitely go down. It doesn't stays longer. So what you can do is कि जब वो स्टार्ट हो रहा है या वो पीक आ रहा है, just distract yourself for that while and do something that you enjoy. कुछ भी कर सकते हो, just watch a movie, listen to some music, just go and meet your friends or just do something, do anything you want to do, you enjoy, read a book or anything, but just distract yourself for a while and trust me, after some time it will go down, that wave will go down and you will surf through it very nicely. Now the third point is drinking. ये मुझे बहुत पसंद है बिकॉज आई पर्सनली डू इट. कई बार ये होता है कि हम लोग को एकदम से कुछ खाने का मन करता है और मतलब हमें ऐसा फील होता है कि मुझे भूख लग रही है, दो इट इज़ नॉट हंगर, बट एट द टाइम वॉट यू कैन डू इज जस्ट गो टू योर किचन, हैव अ बिग ग्लास ऑफ वाटर एंड ड्रिंक इट स्लोली. Yes, it actually works because water is something which actually makes you calmer. And what I personally do is कि कई बार ऐसा होता है कि अब नॉर्मल पानी थोड़ा बोरिंग सा लगता है, so at that time what I personally do is I just have some herbal tea because I don't like milk teas or milk coffees that much. So either I will have a herbal tea or I will have a black coffee, and that's how I actually avoid anything which is really really bad for my body. Now the fourth point, deep breathing. Techniques like deep breathing or pranayam actually helps a lot to just balance your body naturally because it actually helps to calm your mind and bring you at peace. क्योंकि कई बार होता है क्रेविंग्स होती है इसी वजह से, when we are a bit irritated or we are just angry, sad or some kind of emotional disturbance is there, that time is the time where we actually crave our favorite food too much. So at the time just sit silently and straight and just take some nice and deep breathe and relax and let it go and try to feel happier without having any kind of comfort or crappy food. So just relax and give yourself some time to feel better. Now the fifth one and my most favorite one, discuss. Yes, whenever you're feeling cravings, you're having cravings, just talk to somebody, talk to a good friend or a family member and just discuss and talk about anything. In fact, you can talk about this thing, like just tell your friend, like, see how foolishly my mind is craving for the food which my body doesn't needs. Trust me, this single statement while revising can help you a lot and can affect your mind and body and thoughts in a very good way. And also it will make you aware, like it's great that you know that this is happening and you don't actually need that food. It's just your body and your mind wants it very temporarily. Trust me, this technique helps a lot to stay mindful because before getting completely rid of cravings, you need to be aware of it. Like बिकॉज क्रेविंग एक दिन में नहीं जाएगी, बट अगर आपको अभी क्रेविंग हो रही है, इफ यू आर समवन हु नोज कि हाँ यार कि क्रेविंग है, ये हंगर नहीं है, ट्रस्ट मी, यू आर ऑलरेडी अहेड बिकॉज अवेयरनेस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप टू कट ऑफ एनी बैड हैबिट और एनी थिंग दैट यू वॉन्ट टू गेट रेड ऑफ. सो नेक्स्ट टाइम do talk to a friend or a family member. I'm sure you do have some close friends or family members to whom you can talk about anything because for many people these things may seem silly. So don't talk to everyone about it, but do talk about it to a close friend. Now the last point, that is your denial. This is again my favorite because it has personally worked for me a lot, and trust me, I have personally added this point because I love this and I have seen it working for me, and I believe if you also give it a try, it can work for you. So what you have to do is, now again you have to say no, but this time no, you don't have to say no to yourself or your mind. We are not contradicting it with the first point. Okay? So what you have to do is you just have to say no to the other people or the people around you who are offering you something to eat. So if someone offers you a piece of cake or a pizza, just tell them like, no, I don't do good with it. No, my stomach doesn't feel good after having it. Or I don't like this taste anymore. Statements like this you can use to deny. ठीक है? Because I know it's actually a lie, but I don't think a lie is bad if it is for your health. So yeah, next time just say no straight away for the sake of your health and don't feel sorry about it. Most probably, after some time, your friends will even stop asking you to eat that shit, because it has worked for me. Because people around me now actually, they don't just offer me something straight away. They always hesitate a bit, or they always ask me, because I have set those boundaries by denying. Like, I don't like sweet, I don't eat sweets, I don't do good with it. Just give it a try and I'm sure that it is going to work for you. So ये तो जो points थे, ये सब हैं आपके कि जो आप instantly मतलब start कर सकते हो, ठीक है? Because it will actually help you to get rid of cravings from today itself, from now itself. But the long term solution doesn't lies within itself. So long term solution क्या है? Long term solution ये है कि you have to cut off processed carbs, processed food and sugary drinks completely. Yes, in this, don't apply moderation over deprivation, please. Processed is not good at all, sugar is not good at all. So basically होता क्या है कि if you're having more nutrient rich food and wholesome food, yes, your meals should be very very wholesome. आपके हर मील में proteins और good healthy fats ज़रूर होने चाहिए. That's how you actually make your meal wholesome and nutrient rich. होता क्या है कि उससे एक तो आप हमेशा fuller feel करोगे. कभी ऐसा नहीं है कि all the time you're feeling hungry and lazy and energy less. और ऐसा क्यों होगा? Because whenever you're having the correct food for your body, your appetite improves. And also, if you're providing all the nutrients to your body, why will your body actually crave for something else? बहुत बार होता है कि हम अपनी डाइट में बहुत डेड फूड खा रहे होते हैं जिसमें कोई न्यूट्रिएंट नहीं होते हैं. तो अगर आप ऐसा खाना अपनी बॉडी को दोगे तो so obviously your body will live in the survival mode and it will just love to have anything. आपकी बॉडी देखेगी नहीं कि क्या है सामने क्या नहीं है. You'll just have everything. ठीक है? So if you are providing your body with the quality food, your body is smarter than you. It won't require any trashy food, and that's why you won't feel hungry all the time. You will be more calmer. You will make more rational decisions when you're actually hungry and not craving something, because you know that it's your body, not your mind. So I hope that this video is really helpful for you all, and trust me, you can just give them a try. I'm sure these tips will actually help you a lot. And let me know if you need any help regarding this. And also, if you really like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and also share it with your friends and family if you find it really useful. Till then, take care. Bye bye.